Hello everybody, I'm Willie, sales manager from Huizhou Goto Energy company. Today, allow me to introduce our Forklift, lithium ion battery. The first type, 1.2 voltage, 300 ampere hour. You can see this small one. This discharge and charge additionally. And the second type, 1.2, 600 ampere hour, very big, very big, high capacity. This forklift with Bluetooth function. You can use cell phone connect the battery and check the specification on your cell phone. Now, allow me to show you our cell phone to check the battery details. You can see the first SOC, the capacity, the voltage, current, watt, the highest cell voltage. You can also check each cell voltage distance. You can see very perfect because we use grade 8 cell to make this battery. The 51.2 voltage, we make 16 series 1 parallel, and 51.2 600 ampere hour, we make 16 series and 2 parallels. We use 300 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate cell to assemble battery. The best quality and the best performance. If you are looking for a forklift, golf cart, tricycle, scooter, marine, lithium ion battery, please contact me. Willie, remember me. Thank you.